taste is so good. Come on, everyone. Let's see. But we don't be lost. Wow! So many roses. Lemon plant, amaranth leaves, flowering plant. Oh, these are tomato plants. I really like them so much. See, there are not hundreds of them. See, all of them. These are mango plants. Two of them are mango plants. Then there's chili plants. There's a congola. These are my lotus plants. These are chilies. These are mint leaves. I'm sure they grow very fast. I like my little garden. These are also some other plants. This is flat beans. Point guard. Now come over here, everyone. Over here. Come, everyone, come. So we made it to the top hill. These are flat beans. This is
Cucumber.
This is small guy. This is watermelon plant. This is sponges and I love my little plant. This is my rose plant. There's thousands of them.
Daddy,
look what we have. It's very huge. I'm cutting mint leaves. These are terrace plants. These are my garden habits. Pond guard and flowers and mint leaves. Vaknatanda Mahakaya Tumi Koti Namapaba Nirvangnam Kurumedara Dava Kaita Taroda Gungitsa Yanan Chaiva Otavali Talfati Namana Tentu Kavali Janatman Janadam Kuru Talfati Namatupia Valide Kamadupini Vijayarambam Kalitwami with power to Metada. Utli Rama Rametli Ramerume Tahatanama Tapchuriyam Tuli Rama Nama Valanane Kalakal Lakumi Kavoju Tarafte కలమూలు చిత్తగౌళి ప్రభాతకులు దర్శనం పూజాయ రాఘవండయ్య సత్యతమలు దయత భజతాం కల్పలకులయ్య నమతాం క్రమదేనవయ కులు బ్రహ్మ కులు విష్ణు కులు దేవ మహేశ్వర కులు దక్ష కులు బ్రహ్మ తస్మై శ్రీ గురవే నమః. Happy Friendship Day, Mommy.
థ్యాంక్ యూ చిన్న. హ్యాపీ ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ డే టు యూ. దాని ఫ్రెండ్.
Happy Friendship Day, Daddy.
Happy Friendship Day, baby.
Happy Friendship Day to everyone.
Happy Friendship Day to everyone.
హ్యాపీ ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ డే టు ఆల్ అవర్ సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్, ఆల్ అవర్ వ్యూవర్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ అవర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్.
Yeah. Happy Friendship Day to all my subscribers. Happy Friendship Day all over my
ఫ్రెండ్స్.
friends. Did you like my garden and my wings? Hope you all enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please